Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV they everywhere. Bamba clad Crosses TV. Come catch that one, your Crosses TV.
Me a fan. And if you have them blood clot name to me, I try to tell myself, say, my name blood clot gangster dan, I'm now gonna be an informer. Dirty blood clot, open fuck out the whole of 67 blood clot prison where you deliver blood clot flatbush. Dirty suck pussy up. Oh, if you come up. Now come to me with man game. No girl in a United States of a blood clot marker. Hope you fuck, you suck, you lick, your pussy broke out. You tall, you look odious, you favor a donkey blood clot woman. Hope you favor one big giant wet blood clot bread. Hope oh you say you're rich and you bag them. I want the two piece of bag them then. See hope face yeah. The bag on a oat blood clot eye, dirty oat. Una hear me say me don't like IG. Me not like IG, so una hear me say me gone. Una leave me up. Look how me favor oat. Me noise the blood clot Ashanti. Ashanti me rich. Ashanti me sell drugs. Yeah, Ashanti. Ashanti, me have one heap of bag Ashanti. Ashanti, but me no know what happen Ashanti. Me no want to fix my teeth, them Ashanti. Ashanti, me grudge down, cause I don't have nice teeth. Me love how China angry about blood clot, acrylic dirty hope. Hope what acrylic your blood clot, all hope. Hope nobody know why you did one little blood clot boy around a 98. The boy, you know blood clot hope. The boy eat you. The boy now walk gone away with you. Hope you no progressive or blood clot. You there with one little boy, you not even teach a little boy for drive. Hope you say you make money and the little boy and you make money and him can't even blood clot drive. Old car, old pussy hope. Me staying on my blood clot lane hope. Me no jump out on my blood clot lane hope. Hope if me wake up this morning and I can't eat sardine and bread, that's how me think blood clot the hope. Cause me nice na blood clot, me drink Oliver Island blood clot pure water. So me beautiful na blood clot, me not have to come out and paint no show. Hope some of my bag them real no blood clot and some of them fake it match me no blood clot when I put the real. With the fake me trending no blood clot dirty hope. Hope me think of my blood clot self when I think of bag. Cause when me put on the blood clot bag in the house and I gone out the street, them still a go see me with the bag under my blood clot. I am a dirty teeth them. Dirty teeth up with the bag under your blood clot eye. You saw me long me not answer you. Me know so no is a blood clot betrayal and me looking at my life and me say yeah. Me no need no more inter blood clot next. So here what happened Dan. Go on your look nice work. Fix up your look nice them same way and don't pay them no man. You're over Ashanti. Ashanti, Ashanti. Dawn, blood clot can't look like me. Hope me no want look like you a blood clot. Cause look how me put them two bag on me, yeah. And nobody never know say a blood clot me. Dirty hope. Take out a $5,000 and go fix the two bag under your blood clot eye. A six blood clot $1,000 me spend for my blood clot mouth and clean up my nice teeth them. You understand? So when I smile, me pretty in a blood clot hope. Dirty hope, you look like me hope. Eh? This a real blood clot me, no faking, no blood clot. Wait them filter na blood clot, nothing. Nasty dirty hope with the dog. Hope everywhere you go with there, you go with the dog. Cause when your nature bite you, the dog just going on your pussy like this. And your blood clot come. Hope you fuck dog. Fuck dog, hope we fuck out the whole of the blood clot policeman them for real. Hope I'm your was send got blood clot prison. Hope when you did tell Colleen say for make you and she put on mask, pound a blood clot face and go mash up ramping shop here when my blood clot tell you say. Me tell you say why you so big and tall and strong and you go fight the woman blood clot asset. Why you don't fight her cause you're not big and tall and blood clot strong? Hope when you're done, blood clot talk, me call Colleen. Me say, Colleen, did I really make that big, stronger blood clot lion there? Carry you go run a ramping shop place, we say run a Church Avenue. So go mash up ramping shop here. My mother tell me how to fight, cause when me a grow, me little and short na blood clot. So when me a grow, my mother tell me, put on back up your eye. Yeah, my name Hope with the bag on my eye right now. My name Walking Trophy. Walking Blood Clot Trophy, me name. You want name Gangster Dance, the Walking Blood Clot Trophy, yeah. Hope look for big man nice skin. Hope look. Look for my nice stick to them. Hope look. Hope. Hope. Dirty nasty hope back to blood clot basic. Yeah, when you tell blood clot, Colleen say, make you and she put on match, you know, say Colleen no stay certain blood clot way. Yeah, come take the woman left out her house, we go mash up ramping shop blood clot here. Ask her when my blood clot tell her, say, you mad? You couldn't make that big old strangle lion, they will go to prison, go suck pussy for 1 year straight. And we don't know what she tell the government the blood clots and come out with a blood clot green card, put you in a blood clot shovel. You mad? She said, damn, I couldn't go make O put me in a trouble. Go fight your own battle, your blood clot self, because you're a nastiness. You're a murderer. You're a drugs mule. Move your blood clot and go fix up the little boy where you're there with. You say you're there with the little boy from a 15 and him a 30 now. 15 years you're there with the little boy. Come on, have ambition. You're not send him go to school. You're not send him go learn for drive. You alone just in a this old piece of chuck blood clot vehicle. Say a name brand blood clot vehicle. And when you're in there, you sweat like a dog, flee a blood clot bite you. Where a dog name? But you say a blood clot dog named Chanel. Hope you live in a blood clot delusion, blood clot world. Hope go fix up yourself. Hope me no want a house. Me uncle want know say me have a nice resting blood clot place when for sleep. When night come and it clean a blood clot, and when me get up, me can go turn on the stove and make a cup of blood clot tea and keep my body warm and blood clot active. And when me see anybody and them say I done, me can blood clot smile. Me put out there so hope you say when chat talk. Yes, sis, I saw it see. And I pad up now blood clot. See it yeah? Move your blood clot or Botox 8 yo. Botox 8 your Botox 9 your Botox 10 your. Everything you do is a blood clot feeler. When I do mother, you know, I want somebody mother my customer come from IG and she come for me first. Some other was to go back for her. Yeah, cause ramping shot about her blood clot mother. Hope show your blood clot mother. Ramping shop mother they here in a United States of America. Me not cuss for your ramping shop. Me not cuss for you. Me a talk about mother and the things them which your blood clot do. When me know it was wrong, I'm count them one by one and tick on me blood clot self. Cause me an idiot. Hope you love say you's a uptown girl. Oh nobody no know you from uptown girl. Eh? Oh nobody what kind of uptown girl look like you? Your foot, your shoes where you wear. You always a buy 15 and it still a squeeze you. Anybody oh know how long is that red giant bread? The bread when name giant in the red and white, uno measure that bread there and blood clot. Tell me one time I see Kim put up a giant bread and say I saw foot big. I hope the sugar buy the bread and show hope say the bread not big like our foot, the bread bigger than our foot. When hope buy the blood clot bread and stand up on the blood clot bread, hope foot long past the big red giant blood clot bread. Dirty hope and me you want come for. Hope me don't like the IG, me have a bad temper hope. I say anybody bring me on IG, them know them always be in trouble. Anybody bring down to IG in trouble cause I can't done. I have to go 40 days and 40 blood clot night. Dirty hope. You feel like you want to kiss her along out her tongue? Chanel, kiss mama. Chanel, tell you with her dog. Chanel, kiss mama. What your dog for hope tongue? Move your blood clot, dog kisser. Move your blood clot and go. You say you're hush Chanel and your finger in a Chanel body hole. Hush, baby, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Big up yourself, very fabulous. You understand? Straight, dirty, nasty, stinking hope. Where you come from afar? Eh? Me did call your blood clot name. This diary. I can't real diary. Diary, are you the real diary? Are you the real diary or I want fake diary? No one know. Yeah. Dirty Hope did come on IG for come take over some blood clot strong people we should see. Should system of them on IG I'm a stronger blood clot should come friend with me. Then your friend with blood clot calling says she did eat your blood clot and she don't want me with you. Some want know how comes you and Colleen become blood clot friend. Your phone her today when me go down and when me a go and come back me a call Colleen. Me a call you, Colleen. Come on, if you call me too, if you not hear me, call you. Come on, know where the blood clot up and you turn friend. Me want know where you know up from. Me a go down to the nitty gritty because last night hope say you come out, come class me today for sure. Wow, me said to me blood clot self. Me just say, wow, hope you really money blood clot strong. Cause you say you are me calling come class me blood clot today. You understand me and you never chat calling yet. Someone know where you are gonna make calling class me blood clot down and tell me say today you dirty blood clot donkey looking bag on a blood clot eye. Dirty blood clot open walk and buy blood clot friend. You walk and buy friend no blood clot. My titty a show Lord me nice titty a show. I want them cut me live. Dirty hope. You talk about say me must make you give me a young boy. You know choices of young blood clot boy. So oh you gonna give me a young boy. Oh me not see my blood clot young boy. Him not born blood clot yet. 10 years ago, every minute as on a come on IG and a sound come for me. Tony Ray. Tony Ray, move your blood clot about Tony Ray and come with something blood clot news. If Tony Ray was a bread him that steal and broke up on blood clot dash way. If him was a blood clot mattress him that fuck out and broke down. So no come with blood clot new bread, no come with new blood clot mattress and come with blood clot new blood clot things that pass, that steal, that gum. Number 2 again, Foley. Don't say me for run and lock you up. Me never blood clot tell you that because when the police look on you and look on blood clot Foley, the police them that ask themselves then oh she a run from she. And she is a little girl and she is a big girl. Because put you and Foley together, Foley look better than you as a dirty girl. Me not big up blood clot Foley neither, but Foley you look better than Hope. Bad to bad, you can turn on and shake your blood clot self and whine and go down and blood clot come up. Hope your back stick no blood clot like when your mother did a fuck and get you she fuck on an iron board. So you come out with a square back and a long legs like blood clot crab. Hope your shape bad no blood clot is a 32 shoulder, 32 breast length, 32 waist length, 32 hip length, 32 long blood clot leg and a big giant size 13 blood clot foot and a 13 teeth in your blood clot mouth. Dirty hope are coming back. Yeah? Yeah? Me tell you no leave me alone when you see me, you know. Me tell you no all the while leave me. Hope don't bring fuck to me. Hope me no walk and fuck like you, Hope, cause you fuck out a old priest and I say you's an informer. And you get your blood clot passport after it. Say you's a green card holder. Hope me no walk and fuck like you. You fuck in a prison come straight out. Water a fuck you, woman a fuck you, dog a fuck you, police a fuck you, bulldog a fuck you, cockroach a fuck you, everything a fuck you. Hope you're supposed to have something cause you fuck like dog. Hope. A one man married to me and give me my blood clot eagle so I can fly go anywhere I want go. Bad minded blood clot Hope say you don't want a citizenship. Dirty blood clot Hope say you don't want to be a citizen. You know ambition blood clot yo. That's why you tie up the little boy on a blood clot 90s. Him can't drive, him can't read, him can't write. Him hungry sit down one blood clot place and name like a farmer ass and sell blood clot drugs and call you and give pay the money. Dirty hope you in a cheap hotel right now. You know, in a hotel. Hope you in a fuck shop. The shop them where you see a boy like a boy, the boy a flex. And him pay one little money. And you and him go fuck for 45 minutes. Or the fuck go over in a overnight. Or one of them fuck shop there in a dirty hope you your dog in a fuck shop. Where you are your dog are doing at the fuck shop and talk about you in a hotel. A man and woman go in a hotel. I never know say a dog and woman go in a hotel now. What are we on a change the flex of blood clot life in? To young old woman I take with young boy now you change the flex of life. To woman and dog are going a blood clot hotel dirty hope. Nasty stinking hope. Now you tell me say Brandon hope you the blood clot dirty man where you have around the 90s. Dirty hope, oh you know about setting a money cause you hope your girl. Nasty, dirty, stinking hope now come for me. But Ashanti, my name gangster hope now. Move your blood clot and go your pussy stretch out. Woman when name gangster, good pussy blood clot woman. Cause bad man, good man, every man blood clot, rate them. Nobody no rate you. You call some long time man when they didn't find when me no blood clot them. And tell me say them man they did a look you. You call some long time blood clot man when they are prison. When me no know them, you tell me say you and them did there. You call some long time man we used to sell drug from Wapi and keep it fill up in a them back in the days there. Say them man they boss you, move your blood clot. You call some long time gunman. Say oh them used to see you with your gun. Dirty hope, nobody no see me with no long time blood clot, old time blood clot prisoner. No long time blood clot, old time gunman. No long time blood clot, old man blood clot drugs dealer. When you call the woman son blood clot near me and him grow. We come from the same blood clot neighborhood. You understand? Me no walk and search and look blood clot man shove body hope. Dirty hope after me done with you for the end of the month, you get 40 days and 40 nights. After me done with you by month and I hope you fix your blood clot teeth and come out and say bad to bad. The woman cuss me. I'm going to follow the woman and go fix the bag on my eye and do my teeth. Hope me I go tell you what I'm rearing a style now. Young boy played blood clot out because young boy name out enough big woman. And all of the big woman them learn them blood clot lesson now. Yeah. So young boy and big woman game blood clot plays out. Hope it plays out. I'm glad my one never born yet before it blood clot plays out. All big woman are coming at the line, join the line, tummy tuck. Tuck in your blood clot waist. Liposuction your blood clot self. And when it reach Botox time, Botox the bag under your blood clot eye them a that a wear now. Hope chop off your blood clot foot and get some shoes where when you walk you look like a lady. Move your blood clot and go a dirty woman. I will be back. Yeah, I will be back. I get some coffee. Oh, I forgot that one, yeah. Hope me ear say over Ashanti. Yeah. Don't go sleep. No one take your blood pressure pill. Hope a dog of my age is no blood clot pup. Me supposed to take something. Me supposed to take blood clot something to keep my body active. To keep my body young. That's when time my young boy born. Him no know say me a 54. Hope I gotta take my blood pressure pill and I gotta take my vitamin. Hope you look like me. Hope your blood clot look like me. You go talk about Ashanti look Ashanti you want for boss you?